On these workshops, we're bringing together lots of people who are interested in improving their photography. We are trying to make it available for all levels of photographers, from beginners with maybe a small compact camera, all the way to experienced semi-professionals who want to sharpen their game for big photo competitions. Hi, my name is Simon, and today we're talking about our photo workshops by Insider Divers. We have two group leaders. We have Tobias and myself, and with that, we can not only service quite a lot of people at the same time, we can cater to the different levels all together in one location.
Hi, I'm Tobias, and I'm one of the teachers during the Insider Divers workshops. During the workshops, we teach underwater photography at a very basic level or at a very advanced level, so everybody can actually join these trips where you don't need to have a big camera. You can take it, of course, but everybody is welcome also with a basic camera or with a small camera.
In a day during our workshop, we will have several workshop elements by both presenters. We will talk about various topics beginning from the basics of your camera to composition, to lighting, and we'll go really in detail on some technical details that maybe you've always wanted to master. Our workshops are either focused on macro or wide angle. We will touch on the other topic as well, but there will be a focus on one topic, and that will have the majority of the workshop elements. During our workshops, you will get a lot of assistance when it comes to editing. We will help you with getting you started, but if you're experienced, what we will help you with are the really detailed software elements that you need to make your pictures absolutely perfect. In a week with us, you can expect to level up your photography wherever you are. If you have just started, we will get you to the level that you will take pictures that you're proud of. But if you've already taken quite a few photos in your day, what we will do is we'll help you sharpen your skills. It's not a front-to-back system. We're working with what you're bringing in. If you've always wanted to master a creative technique or a specific type of diving, like blackwater diving, you will learn this in our week with us and be able to master it throughout the week.
I came on this workshop because I just upgraded my camera, so I wanted to play with my new rig, get familiar with it.
I did this workshop to improve my photography and to learn new techniques like how to shoot with a strobe or change the lighting settings, and overall to hopefully get a nicer shots.
I've been doing underwater photography since 2010 and done a lot of competitions, and I felt it was time to change some things, that if I really wanted to be better at the competitions, I needed new perspectives.
The instructors here are awesome. I think both Simon and Tobias they're just great teachers.
They have different perspectives and they give you actually not the same advice, so you could choose and you can see what works for you, because I think in the end it should be yourself that like the picture.
His teaching style resonated with me. The way he structures his courses, I felt like I would get the most from someone like him.
For me personally, I love it because they give you lots of inspiration on what we can do and how to improve on our shots, and for me specifically, how to improve on like my creativeness of the shots and the composition of them.
Wow, what a week! Once again, this workshop concept worked so well. We had so many different camera systems, all kinds of different levels of photographers, and as an outcome we have so many photographers with new techniques. Toby and I have been editing with everyone every night, and the levels are getting up, and now we're seeing such great results. People have been using so many different techniques in a week that just inspires us to keep bringing new things to the concepts that people can try. And tonight we'll see it in the photo competition. We're really excited about what we're going to see tonight because the guests have been holding a few of them back, so we don't know them yet, and we'll see some really high levels, and I can't wait to do the next workshop.